Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn about $1.8 every single day for free. You don't need to invest any of your money. I'm also not investing any money on this platform. It's actually a new platform, so we are going to try it all together. So I'm going to walk you guys through the registration process and how you can earn on the platform. So I'm going to leave a link to the site. Once you click on the link under the video, you're going to land on this page. So just fill in all your informations, enter your username, that's your email and your password, and click on the sign up button. It's as simple as that. So once you are done with the registration, you're going to land on this page. You can just close this announcement, and then you're going to see, once you click on VIP, you're going to see that the VIP one is unlocked, which gives us a simple interest of $1.8 every day, 1.8 USDT every day. So we can leverage on this opportunity to make money. So 1.8 USDT every day. So you have to perform your tax. You click on tax. Once you click on tax, you're going to see the tax for today, your daily tax. So you just tap on the complete. You see to complete, tap on it here. So once you tap on it, your daily tax has been done. So that's all you're going to be doing every day to earn on the platform. So if you click on the me button, you're going to see your balance and everything. So you can see the withdrawal button. So you click on the withdraw button. So you're going to see we have 1.8 USD. That's our daily tax done for today. So you can only withdraw your daily earnings. So you can see the quota is from $9 and above. So minimum withdrawal is 9 USDT. So once we get up to 9 USDT, we can actually place a withdrawal. Remember, it's a free platform. We are not investing any money. So you all need to do this right now. The platform is new. So once you get up to 9 USDT, you place a withdrawal. If you are lucky, then it's going to pay us. So let's just try it. It's a free update. We are not spending any money. I'm not investing any money on the platform. So as you can see, so you're going to just enter your information, your Tron wallet, like your USDT wallet address and everything. Then put your password and confirm to place your withdrawal once you have $9. So with that being said and done, let's make sure we all partake on this update. It's a free update. You're not investing any of your money. So let's just do it. So you can see, remember, you are going to perform your daily tax every day, so you can earn your $1.8. So mine has been completed today. So that's it. And also you can come over to the team section. You can copy your referral code. So once you copy your referral code, you can actually invite your friends, and you're going to be earning some percentage of their earnings. So you can actually make you get to the minimum withdrawal faster. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So let's take action immediately. Click on the link under the video. It's going to take you to the page, to the registration page. Register, perform your daily tax every day. I'll see you guys in my next video.